Today is number 5 that we have given birth to Save Club. And what I mean by that is June 1st is when we kick this off officially. And today is June 5th of 2025 as I produce this video. What have we learned over the last 5 days? And what have I learned over the last 37 days? Because I came aboard during the pre-launch because I want to be an affiliate that kicks butt. Now, here's the difference between being a member and an affiliate with Save Club. Now, being a member, $20 a month. It's actually $19.97. If you want to spend that, you will have access to eventually hundreds of thousands and potentially millions of deals worldwide. We're talking Canada to Mexico, here, of course, in the United States where I live, and yes, all over Asia, all over African areas, down below to Australia, Brazil, Iceland, Greenland, just about every city that has internet access and business. We're going to have savings there. This is a worldwide club. Now, we're only 5 days old. Every day, I will get at least an email from someone going, yeah, well, the Save Club has the same price as a Groupon or as just a sale, just a fire sale. I looked it up on Amazon, or I went to Walmart and it looked like this item was almost the same as Save Club. Guys, we're 5 days old. Walmart is a little older than that. Groupon is a little older than Save Club. Are they worldwide? No, they're not. This is a worldwide endeavor. We already have almost every country on planet Earth signed up within the first 5 days. And in my case, since I'm building teams, I've been in on my 37th day. All I can do is just story tell and tell my story. Now, I know that there's some other success stories out there because I like to watch our live Zooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I record them. If you watch my YouTube channel, you can watch them. You don't have to watch live. But I like to tell my experience. And I always like to stress this. I'm a busy guy. I'm not looking to retire. Okay? Right now, I'm currently remodeling a nightclub. I produce well over 120 shows with Rockin' Hot Rod Productions, March to October. And I own a radio station literally 10 feet on the other side of this wall where I program it. Now, I love to work, and I go out of my way every day to at least put in an hour or more of video where I talk to you guys in hopefully about 10 to 15 minute segments. I try to do 5 of them a day, 6 of them. I just sit and look at my timer and chat with you folks, and I want to bring you as much value as I possibly can, especially if you sign up with me. So over a 37-day period, if you see me taking 1 to 2 hours out of my day to promote Save Club, I'm making money. Okay, I can't be more brutally honest than that. I know how to recruit. I know how to get people to click something to watch something. And that's all you do with Save Club anyway at the end of the day. Invite someone to click your link, and usually they'll watch the 6-minute video or my new funnel system. It's a 20-minute video. They'll watch both because I promote both links. And if people want to join, they will. If you don't want to join, you just kind of hit the X or delete and go on your way. Or if you're on the fence a little bit, just take your time, but don't take too much time because we're only 5 days old. Pre-launch, yes, 37. But guys, there's only 1,000 or so affiliates right now, and we're going to have 1 million people sign up over the next year. They can only sign up underneath affiliates like me and hopefully you. So if you have $60, I would really look into this. And if you have the $19.97, yes, you're a member. Do your best to search all over the place of the tens of thousands of deals already. All right, there's Fortune 500, 100, and Fortune 50 companies already from countries in Save Club. That's how successful we are already just 5 days in. Now, give us some time. Yes, we're going to reach Asia. We're going to go to Africa and anything that starts with an A. Alabama, Arizona. How about even Arkansas? Are they still a state here? I think they are. Okay? Even Utah. I think I'm the only state that starts with a U. And I want you to look into this. You just got to click a link, invite people just to your experience. And what's your experience? I don't know, hanging out with me. Or maybe you're emailing. Maybe you're social mediaing. Are you doing some social media posts? We have video. We have pictures. We have marketing material for you. All you got to do is just use it. It comes with the $60. And if you join my team, you're going to get 2 Facebook group pages to join where there's way more video and marketing material for you. where the funnel takes over for 20 minutes. So you think the 6-minute video is pretty good, which I'm going to show you how to watch. Wait till you see the 20-minute one. It's just more detail, that's all. I get a lot more signups using the funnel. And as a matter of fact, my funnel system is making me way more money than the Save Club. So I've got kind of a dual thing going. I'm building a team nice and organically, but I've got everybody in Save Club that's not even signed up with me using my funnel system. So to make an extra $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month just with my recurring paying funnel, which I think works better than what you get for $60, I'm very darn happy. All right, I've been averaging about $1,000 a week after 4 weeks. My next pay day is in a couple days, so my average will go well over 1,000. That's just me. Results typical. I got to do the old disclaimer with my quotes with my fingers, but if you follow the training and make it fun and just post every day, guys, click this link and check it out. Don't say nothing else. Do you want to save some money? Look at this. This is a different angle. Well, what is it? Well, click the link. Let the videos do everything. No one wants to talk on the phone. No one does 3-way calls. No one's coming anymore to a living room. People just want to watch a video. And if you don't want to do Save Club, it's nice when you're by yourself, because if you don't want to do it, you're not embarrassed to say no. You're not on the phone desperate. And let me look into it with my wife. Let me see if I got $80. It's embarrassing to say no when people have a little bit of passion about something. I love Save Club. It saved me $900 just on the membership side. It's earning me about $1,000 a week. And then my funnel system, it's a grand slam in baseball. Okay. So I'm very happy with Save Club. But for you to have some faith, do you have $19.97? Then you can go and have access and go crazy. Get a bunch of savings. You're probably going to save, in my opinion, $100 to $200 a month by spending $20. And if you're going to be an affiliate, get out those $3 $20 bills and just join now. Don't wait any longer. Your chance of, in my opinion, your chance of getting a lot bigger downline and team built is right now, because we're only 5 days officially released. Guys, it is June 5th of 2025 as I sit here. We kicked off June 1st. You know how rare it is to watch a video like mine where the company is brand new and people from all over the world signing up left and right and left, left and right. And what's the product? What's the rub? You're helping people save money. Save money, make money. Peanut butter, jelly, yin yang, dildo, holy moly. It's working. That's all I can tell you, is that Save Club seems to be working. It's saving people money for $20 a month. And if you want to be an affiliate for that 60, let me just send you a nice email and welcome you into 2 Facebook groups. I do about 5 YouTube videos a day. Let's see, we do live Zooms Monday, Wednesday, Friday, like I said earlier. And the support is there, especially in our Facebook group pages. You're going to meet some really cool people. And yes, they are new. They have no experience. And we share stories on how, when we were new, how we started, how we stumbled. Did we, I don't know, get the guts to do a video like this where you wear a bunch of yellow and talk to a webcam? Or do you want to just post the material we have already produced for you? We have a lot of video just waiting for you to use. Upload it. Just make sure your link to Save Club is rock and roll. Okay? Just make sure it works and it goes to you. Let me just show you what I do. There it is, guys. All right, I went to Vistaprint, printed out this, I guess you'd call it a business card. This is a picture of it. They're $22 for a big box. And yeah, I just have the red background with a little race car. I put officialsaveclub.com. I did it like that because it jumps off the red. And then I put my Cory at corydraper.com. I like when people email me because I can sit back and see if you're serious and the questions, are they awesome? And if I've already made a video about it, I just send you a video to your question. All right? I make it real simple. This is a real simple process. Just join, set your back office up real quick. You're going to get your own link, and it's going to go to this page right here, except instead of Cory Draper, you can put your name or your business. People will watch this 6-minute video, and they'll fill their information in right here, and then they click this orange button. You're going to get an email, and then you can go and hopefully sign up, or you'll get at least more information. 1 email info a day from the company automatically done for you. So if you have no idea how to email every day, don't worry about it. This company really knows how to. And their emails are awesome because I got all 30 of them saved up. and they're awesome. I think you're going to really enjoy this. So, guys, I'm at the 10-minute mark. I like to make 5 or 6 videos like this per day, and this is number 1. So anyway, go ahead and just please look into this, officialsaveclub.com. And right now, if you're already in Save Club, or you think you're going to get stuck and you need just a little better, longer video explaining the process so you don't have to, look into saveclubfunnels.com. Boy, does it work. And you know what? Everyone that signs up with the funnel system, the company pays you $20. Right now, by probably the end of the week here in a couple days, $1,000 extra I've already made. And guess what? I get paid that every month and then some. So if I have 20 people signed up with Save Club Funnels, let's say the next week, what's $20 times $20? What's 20 times $20? That really adds up, doesn't it? Plus the funnel works. They're both awesome though. Please look into officialsaveclub.com and look into Save Club Funnels. The funnel's $25. Okay, relax. This is not high ticket stuff, but do your best just to look at both of my links right here up on my screen. I think you're going to like what you see. And if you join as an affiliate, I recommend that you use both of these techniques. Mix them up. See which one works best. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for your time. And that's it. I got my coffee fresh. It's percolating in the back. So you guys have a good day. Get a hold of me if I can help you. Cory at CoryDraper.com. All right. Take care, guys. Bye.